Hey, hello guys. I am the Shadow Trader. This is Shadow Analysis, and today we're going to be taking a look at AIMD. This is a bonus video today. I did not plan on making this, um, but I figured it's one I have been following, not too close, but I do look at it like every day, just kind of see what it does, because I want to see if I was right on my initial analysis, and so far I have been. And you know, I'm not sitting here telling you that your stock's crap. And that's why it's falling. But stocks do fall, and analysis does reveal a lot, if not everything. So when I said this was coming down, it was because that's what it was telling me. But I have great news. We have come down here, and we might not be done. Might be coming down a little bit further. I did say the previous month low. But I think once we hit that, I think we're gonna go ahead and get a little double bottom right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and go. So we're gonna wait and see. But if this previous monthly low can hold, assuming it doesn't hit a yearly low, if it does, that's okay. But we'll see. If this previous monthly low holds, that's even better. And from what it looks like here, that's probably what's going to happen. Now, it can go further down here and end up hitting a new yearly low. Very well could. Um, we'll keep an eye on that. So remember that. Bottom already. We did hit a bottom. Oh no, wasn't a bottom signal. This was a bottom signal, and this was a top signal, but this one went higher, which means that the next time you get a top signal, it's going to go even higher than this. So you're looking to break this resistance here. Those are just quick little things that I pick up uh from looking at price action and some of these indicators and how they line up. You did leave some gaps behind, so you're definitely coming back up. Question is, where do you bottom at? Here, here. And that's what we're going to be looking for. It looks like it's going to be here because this is already pretty damn low, and you can't come down that much further than the historic low it's already been. Then but that's the hourly. So that's on the shorter term. What does it look like for the longer term? Does it look like, yeah? See, on the longer term, you're kind of bearish, right? You are starting to curl here, but it's rather weak, and you can come down further. Keep that in mind. You could come up and hit resistance here on the CMA and then get rejected. Could come up here, do a little bit of this, or right? So, because this is very reminiscent of what a bear flag is, maybe. Yeah, pretty steep fall, rising wedge, bear flag usually pop off like we did on Wolf just recently, and then you fall off again. So this and Wolf has the same exact pattern. This and Wolf are both squeezing. Well, they're not squeezing right now. They're not squeezing anymore, but they could very well again when this happens. You just gotta be patient. You just gotta wait it out. Or I could be wrong, or it could just keep going higher. We'll find out soon. I'm gonna keep an eye on this. We'll see. As of right now, if you're in, just buy more. It's already pretty low. If even if 212 is the lowest that we go, what's the difference between 212 and 244, right? It's pennies. So just load up on your stock. If it goes lower, great, buy even more. You know the deal. Don't put in the hoard, but just drop in some change here and there, some pocket change. You got some extra cash, throw it in the stock market. Lower your average a little bit. Until you hit a true bottom and you're ready to lift off. And you kind of know what that looks like because stocks tend to do some type of bullish pattern before it takes off. And you can easily see it start to form usually after the first push up, because then you can see where that resistance is and you can kind of know, all right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it quits on this one. Uh, 50-50 really. Again, it looks like a bull flag. We need to see what it does. But to me, this isn't a buying opportunity. It is a buying opportunity at this price, but this isn't like a buying opportunity for like a long option, or if you think it's gonna pop off right now, it's just not. Um, but soon, as we saw the hourly again, and that kind of also proves the little um bull flag theory too, because the hourly's bottomed out. If it goes up, you could easily, before hitting any new highs, you could easily top off again. If the hourly takes off, this is going to take off. You can easily top out again and then pull off that bear flag drop. So we'll keep an eye on it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Uh, Give me a thumbs up if you like what you saw. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to keep getting notified about videos that I release. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure you comment down below on any stocks you want me to take a look at. If you're just getting into the stock market and you're not really familiar with any stocks, but you're curious about certain companies, shout out some companies. If you don't know ticker symbols, just name me companies, and I'll look up the ticker symbol and I'll do something, and we'll look at it if you're interested in that company going into the stock market. All right. Um, Also, I don't shout this out much. I need to. But I'm also on Twitter for those of you who haven't followed me from Twitter, or X rather. Um, I'm on there. Started on there. Shadow Trader 17. I post analysis every day whenever I'm free. I'm pretty busy in the morning, but if I'm not, I'll usually follow the market with everyone, and I'll post it as it goes if it's interesting. If it's just a boring day, I'll just let it fly, and then I'll do my end of day analysis and go from there. So thank you very much. Oh, and for everyone who is commenting, even just ticker symbols or even companies, thank you very much. For those of you who are commenting and giving me love and showing me support, thank you very much. I mean, it means a lot to me from the bottom of my heart. Um, so yeah, just thank you. I mean, I don't know. I'm not very good with those kind of things, but it really does mean a lot to me. I don't know fully how to express myself in that way, so but thank you. Um, and I'll see you guys actually soon because I am posting yet another video. I've got to do my technical analysis part two. This one's going to be a little bit more clean and hopefully a little bit more streamlined for you guys. I'm going to try to remember what I went over already. I'm going to recap it real quick and then I'm going to add to it. We're going to go from there. So make sure you check that out if you're interested. Um, yeah. Thank you very much, guys, and ciao.